Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are also fit and fine. I am also great by the grace of Almighty Bhagwan. Right now I am sitting here. Actually it's our village. As you can see, it's our Bodhitista river. As you can see, they are walking here. Another people, as you can see, they are also busy in this moment, and they have decorated our river. Actually I almost some people talk about in this work very difficult to work, and really it's very difficult to work. In this work maintain Bangladesh Pani Union Board Nilphamari unit. As you can see, it's almost it has been 3 years done, but this work is not finished, and regularly maintaining this work our people. As you can see, actually the river dam is being built, make a dam built. As you can see, they are feeling very uncomfortable feel, that's why it's very difficult to work. They are also busy in this work and maintain. I am also practicing my spoken English journey. As you can see, try it. Actually English is spoken but cannot maintain. Actually he's not a skillful person. He is always trying to Bangla language, so the English language is very difficult for okay. Their feelings very beautiful. As you can see, they are enjoyable in this moment, and they are nicely and beautiful maintain. Actually them work okay. Actually I am also seeing here my spoken English journey as a learner, as a beginner. Actually, as you can see, the man. রক্ত বেরাচ্ছে as you can see. এই ইয়ে নাই, হ্যাঁ এটা সিবিধর
মারাত্মক
অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট
হয়ে গেল